What if I told you that you could legally relocate to Australia in 2025 without wasting money, getting scammed, or stuck in endless paperwork? Australia is calling. Clean air, high paying jobs, free healthcare, and global opportunities for thousands of Nigerians. This is no longer just a dream, it's becoming reality. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step guide to migrating to Australia from Nigeria in 2025. Step 1. Choose your visa pathway. Your first move is to choose the right visa because your success starts here. Popular visa types include Subclass 189, Skilled Independent, Subclass 190, State Sponsored, it adds 5 points. Subclass 491, Regional Sponsored, adds 15 points. Subclass 482, Temporary Skills Shortage, Employer Sponsored. Subclass 500, Student Visa. Then we have partner and family visas if you have eligible relatives in Australia. Step 2, check your eligibility and points. Australia's skilled immigration is a point-tested system. You need at least 65 points to qualify. Here are the breakdown. Age 25 to 32 years, 30 points. English IELTS 8+, 20 points. Education Bachelor or Masters 15 to 20 points. Work experiences up to 15 points. State nomination at 5 or 15 points. Partner skills up to 10 points. Then use the official points calculator. The link will be in my bio and I'm going to be posting the link on the screen. Step 3, skills assessment. Your qualification needs to be verified before you can apply. There are some assessment bodies that regulate your qualification. Assessment bodies, we have the ACS for tech roles, Engineers Australia for engineering, VITESS for general occupation, ANMAC for nurses. These are the qualifications you will need. You will need degree certifications plus your transcript, a detailed CV or resume, employees references, work samples if it's needed. And the duration, the timeline is 6 to 12 months. In Naira, the cost is about 500k to 1 million. Step 4, take an English test, preferably an IELTS or a PTE. You will need to prove you can speak English because why? Communication is key. So these are the required scores you need when you do the English test. For your IELTS, you need 6.0 to 7.0 with equals eligibility. IELTS 8.0 will give you full 20 points. Then for PTE, the equivalent is accepted. You can get your test centers in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and they are valid for 2 years. The cost of this test is 130k to 180k. Step 5, you submit your expression of interest, also known as your EOI. You are ready to enter the official pool of applicants through SkillSelect. And these are what you will need. You will need personal data, occupation, the answers code. Your occupation has a code, IELTS and PTE scores, skills assessment outcome, preferred visa and state. You do that in the link below. I'm going to put the link in my bio. That's the SkillSelect link. SkillSelect is the assessing body. Then you now go on to step number 6. That you apply for state nomination. It's optional, but it's very, very powerful. State nomination boosts your points and open more doors. There are some popular states that are under the nomination programs, just like Canada. We have NSW, that's Sydney. We have Victoria, Melbourne, South Australia, Adelaide. It takes around 4 to 12 weeks to get this done. Costs around 600k. Step 7, then you apply for your visa. After you get an ITA, your invitation to apply. If selected, you have 60 days to apply for your visa. What are the required documents? Your passport, your skills assessment you've done, the IELTS or PT you've done, you get police clearance certificate, medical clearance, then your proof of funds. Your proof of funds varies by your visa. And your visa fees. Visa fees cost, for skilled visa fees, you have, it's cost around 4,640 Australian dollars, that's 4.6 million. Student visa is 710 Australian dollars, that's 710,000. Then processing time is around 4 to 18 months depending on the visa type. Step number 8. After you've done this whole process, you prepare to move. Once your visa is approved, it's time to plan your big move. Then, what do you do? Firstly, you book your flight, you secure short-term housing because you have to find a place to stay. When you get over there, you open an Australian bank account, you apply for the TFN, then you join Nigerian Australian communities. You also register for Medicare if you are eligible to register for Medicare. Step number 9, settle in. Now you begin your Australian journey. You find your accommodation, enroll your kids in school if you have kids. Begin your job hunt or you continue your studies. You just made it. So guys, if you love this information, subscribe for updated alerts on visa invitations and jobs. Like this video, drop a comment and share with a friend.